Radiation is defined as the emission of energy as electromagnetic waves, or as moving subatomic particles, especially high energy particles that cause ionization. Ionizing radiation are waves that have enough energy to displace electrons from its orbitals around the nucleus. The human body has a variety of effects when it is radioactive. There are three main types of radiation: alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma rays. Alpha particles have the lowest energy out of the three. They can be stopped by a simple piece of paper or the outer layer of your skin. Beta particles have more energy than alpha particles. Beta particles can be stopped by a thick piece of wood and can pass through the human body. Gamma rays have the highest energy. Gamma rays can be stopped by a concrete wall and can easily pass through a human body. When ionizing radiation enters a cell, it has many dangerous effects on the atoms present. When the wave passes by, its track releases energy into the surrounding environment, which is absorbed by the atoms present. This absorption causes ionization, which is the release of electrons. This change in electrons makes the atoms unstable and chemically reactive. These changes have a direct or indirect effect on DNA. Direct damage is when a displaced electron hits the DNA strand, which breaks the strand. Indirect damage is when the displaced electron reacts with the water molecule, creating an unstable atom, which then damages the DNA strand. When a single-strand DNA breaks, the cell is most likely to recover due to the second strand serving as a template. But when a double-strand DNA break happens, it can cause the strand to rejoin incorrectly, causing cell death or mutations. The change in DNA can cause a cell to become cancerous, or the new DNA can cause abnormal division or heredity disorders. From 0 to 250 rems, you can expect a loss of hair, drop in white blood cell count, and a drop in red blood cell count. From 250 to 1000 rems, you can expect a severe loss in appetite, nausea, spleen damage, most likely to recover. From 1000 to 3000 rems, you can expect an increase in cancer risk, no appetite, severe spleen damage, lymph node and bone marrow damage, less likely to recover. From 3000 to 6000 rems, you can expect severe nausea, sterility, internal bleeding, increase in cancer risk, and if left untreated, you can experience death. From 6000 to 10,000 rems, you can expect severe nausea, central nervous damage, sterility, internal bleeding. Not expected to survive. Any dose over 10,000 rems is fatal. You can expect death in a few days or a few hours. During our everyday lives, we are exposed to some radiation. The biggest source of this is the sun. In the sun's core, nuclear fusion happens. When this occurs, ionizing radiation waves are emitted. These rays are mostly absorbed by the sun, but a small percentage reaches Earth. These rays can be harmful and cause many skin diseases.